Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack or archive RAR&ZIP files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So we need to open our app and then find the files that we want to make the zip or RAR file from. So mine are located in the DCIM camera, and there's 3 pictures right here. So now we need to select the files that we want to compress and press on this plus button where we selected everything that we want. From here we can start customizing our RAR or zip file. So in this case I'll be creating RAR file, but you can change it to zip or RAR 4.x. So I'm picking RAR. I will change its name of the file to picture. You can also set the password for the archive. Mine will be 123, and if I'm not sure if I typed it correctly, I can press on the show password and encrypt the file names. When we selected the password, we can press on the OK button and we'll be back at a normal creating. From here we can also delete the files after archiving, which I'm gonna do, and create solid archive. In advanced options we can find more advanced options, as it says, and you can see them right here. In the options you can change other options and it's like archive name mask, show archiving time, use Blake to file checksum, create separate archives, or test archived files. In the comments section you can leave a comment about the archive file, so I'm just gonna call it 3 pictures in the comments so that if someone encounters it, he'll know what's inside. Now when we've set up everything, we can press OK to actually create the RAR file. Now if we close the app, we can see the picture RAR created right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.